Hi guys, so I'm Shane. We're going to be working on the BMW 2 Series. So we're going to go through installing of the sound deadening. We're going to go through installing the sub, front speakers and the subwoofers underneath the seat today. So let's get the car stripped and move on to the sound deadening. So after we've installed our soundproofing, we have upgraded our door speakers to our Audison. We have then moved on and installed our Audison speaker into our factory fitted Harman Kardon tweeter pod. We have then moved on and installed our under the seat subwoofer as well. So now all of our speakers are all installed, we can now start putting all our interior back together and do our final sound checks.
So Shane has just finished the install on this BMW 2 Series, and what a difference. I've just had a listen for the first time and a world of a change has happened. So I'm just going to take you through the spec of what we've decided to go for with this system and how that actually happened with the client. So client came into us for a consultation, and that is where we can spend some time and sit down together to find what they're actually after and what products we can put in to help solve the issues they were finding. So the client in this case was really finding that the fact that they had the base audio system, they were really lacking in depth of the system as well as that higher end clarity as well. Now, with these systems from factory, they just come with the speakers in the doors, no tweeters, no designated sub in the vehicle. So that was immediately addressed by going with the Prima front speaker upgrade. So what that includes is the tweeter up on top of the door, and as well a replacement speaker for inside that door, and the 8-inch underseat woofer underneath both driver and passenger seat. A really nice comprehensive upgrade, giving this system the overall clarity and just enjoyment out of the system when you're actually driving and on the road. Now, obviously with the standard system, there is no location for a tweeter. So what we do is we actually order the BMW tweeter grills for Harman Kardon to add those onto the door to provide a really clean OEM look, because that is what we were trying to achieve with this system. Ultimate functionality, but still keeping it looking absolutely perfect. Now, that addresses the clarity issue, but then we wanted to move on to solving the bass and the depth issue with the car. So the client then added on a 10-inch active sub in the boot. Now, this sub is one we use on so many different vehicles. It's a really nice subwoofer and provides the ultimate in depth and bass in the system. So the way that sub is, it's just sat on the back right-hand side. Again, this is all stuff we go over with the client to make sure they're happy and where they actually want the subwoofer. So in this case, we've got it on the right-hand side and we've made it removable so that you can take it out if he has bigger luggage to put in the vehicle. The system is now complete and it sounds absolutely exceptional. The clarity is really noticeable, massive difference from what was there from stock. Having those designated tweeters up near the A-pillars is a really nice touch, and it sounds incredible. Now, with the sub as well, it is absolutely bonkers. The sub and the depth that it gives you is crazy. And with the sub controller that we've added into the steering column in this case, really just provides that overall nice depth and makes the music all sound a lot more natural and just enjoyable on a longer drive. Now, if you're interested in a similar upgrade just like we've done on this BMW, or maybe you have another car completely and you're looking to upgrade the sound in that, please get in contact with us and we'll find the right solution for you and your car and get your car sounding as perfect as it can be. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you're interested in future content just like this one, feel free to subscribe to the channel to watch more. But if you have enjoyed this one, feel free to like the video and I shall see you in the next video.